Tap to stop. Camera. Camera. Back. Page.
Hi, hello, and welcome viewers to Blind Tech Explorer YouTube channel. So after a long time ago, I have come with another tutorial. So in today's tutorial, we're going to look about how we can change our private group to public group, or we also can known as how to create a public group. So without any delay, let's jump to the tutorial. But before that, make sure don't forget to like and share this video and give your comments in the comment box below, and then don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell notification icon to get our latest videos. And all our videos will be uploaded on Saturday, so check it out. Now let's start. I'm going to open the Telegram. I'm using a Telegram client. There is plus messenger, so all the procedure are same. Okay, that doesn't have any difference. Let's go.
Plus.
Okay, I already has create one group.
Groups. Oh. Group. Trial. Send.
Okay, this is the group now.
Trial 1 member.
This is the private group actually. I'm going to change to the public. So let's go.
Go. 0-4-1 button.
You should click on the group profile, or we also can known as the group icon.
0. Edit button.
Click on this edit button and swipe to your
Edit. Done button.
You will find done button here. Nothing to do.
Trial text box.
This is the group name.
Emoji button. Set photo or video. Description optional. Text box. Group type private.
Okay, here you go. You should click on group type. Here they show as private. So after we click on it,
group settings. Go back button.
It will bring you to the group settings. Now
Done button. Group type. Private group. Private groups can only be joined if you were invited or have an invite link. Radio button checked.
Okay, now we should.
Public group. Public groups can be found in search. Chat history is available to everyone and anyone can join. Radio button unchecked.
Click this.
Checked.
And swipe to your right.
Public link.
Public link.
TV/text box unavailable.
Okay.
Link text box.
Okay, here we need to enter any names to be the invite link of the public group. So I will type, for example,
Showing English, US, QWERTY, people, TV/text box unavailable. Link text box. If you set a public link, disable browse by touch. B. Y. T. R. U. I. A. L. Enable browse by touch.
okay, I already has typed.
If you set a public trial, this link is already taken. However, it is currently available for purchase. Learn more text box editing.
Okay, so if it's show like this, just delete.
Trial, this link is already taken. Cleared.
And type the new name.
If you set a public link, disable browse by touch. F. G. R. O. U. P. Enable browse by touch. If group, sorry, this link is already taken. Text box editing.
Okay, so this also has been taken.
Cleared.
Let's delete and write another.
If you set a public link, other people will be able to find and join your group. Disable browse by touch. E. X. A. M. P. L. E. Enable browse by touch. Example, sorry, this link is already taken. Text. cleared. If you set a public link, disable H P T R I A L. Trial. If you trial is available. Text box editing.
Okay, it's show like this, which means the link is still available and it's never used by others yet. So
if you set a public link, other people will be able to find and join your group. You can use a Z, 09 and underscores. Minimum length is 5 characters.
So you also can write like this, or you also can write like how I do.
Manage invite links.
Here you can manage your invite links.
Trial is available. If you set up who approve new members off. Who can send messages? Approve new members off. Content protection. Restrict saving content. Group done button.
Okay, click on done.
Group set showing English US. Done button. Set description. Group type public.
So now this group has been changed to the public, and
set emoji. Done button.
Click on done again.
English US Q double. Go back button.
And you are done. Your group has been changed to private to public. So you can't straightly create the public group. If you want to create the public group, you should create your group first in the Telegram, and it will be a private group by default, and you should change the group from private to public, like how I do just now.
0-3-1 button.
So let me recap the steps.
Back button.
First of all, go to the group that you have already created.
Record.
And click on the group profile.
Go back button. Trial one member.
Okay. And swipe to your right until you find edit button.
0 edit button.
Click here. Swipe to your right until you find group type.
Emoji. Set description. Group type public.
Okay. We have changed just now, that's why it's show public. So click here.
Trial text box. If you team private group type.
And the private option has been checked by default, so you should check the public.
Public groups can be found in search. Chat history is available to everyone and anyone can join. Radio button checked.
Okay, then the next
public link.
Type your links. Type any words which will be your links for a public group.
/text box unavailable. Trial text box.
Okay, this is the example. And then after you're done,
if you set a public link, manage invite links.
You can manage your invite links. You can create your new links or delete your previous link also can.
Who can send messages?
Here you can restrict who can send messages.
Approve new members off.
Okay, approve new members. This one all we will see in another tutorial. Okay, now
if you set trial text box,
after you type your any word after you type the group invite links name, the public group invite links name, swipe to your left until you find done button.
Group type, done button. Trial text box.
And it's after you click done, it will bring to the previous place, which is you can edit your group name now.
Done button.
If you swipe to your left, you will find done again. Click on it, and then your group will be changed to private, from private to public. So this is the step that how you can do, or this is the steps that how you can change your private group to public, or this is the steps that how you can create your public group in Telegram with screen reader.
Back button.
So we has been come to the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I hope this video or this tutorial will be helpful for everyone. And before end, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, share and give your comment to the videos. At the same time, share this video to your friends, to your family members or anyone who's needed. See you in the next tutorial. Stay safe, stay healthy.